Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your Italian restaurant. Now, if you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's that simple. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Let's get cracking building a website for our Italian restaurant. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. I'm now going to head to the top and search for my market. Let's search for Italian restaurant, and there it is. That pizza looks absolutely amazing. I'm now going to select the template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our Italian restaurant so it can generate a one-page website for us. I'm now going to go ahead and put in our company name and my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy customers from all around the world. I'm now going to leave the type of business as a restaurant and click on continue. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details, a little bit more. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm now going to put my phone number in and my email address. Awesome. Let's move along. Where is our place of business? Where's our Italian restaurant located? I'm going to put our street address in here and our postal code. Awesome. Let's move along. Great. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? So I'm going to assume my Italian restaurant is open for lunch and dinner only. I'm going to say we open from 11 a.m. and we close at 9:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We open 7 days a week. And let's click on continue. Awesome. Let's do a quick review. If you need to make any amendments to the hours or the location, hit update. But everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along and click next. And there you have it. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. As you can see, we've pre-selected all the images and they're all really high quality. And the great thing about them is they are all royalty free. You don't need to pay for them and there's no licensing involved. However, if you've got some of your own pictures and you need to just make a few amendments to the sections, I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to walk you through each section from the top to the bottom, work my way through just so you can see how easy it is to use the Marty Site service. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. Gone are the days where you have to know coding to launch a website or hire a web developer or need to know any web development skills. It's super simple. So let's start from the top and click on update section over here. Now, I've already put in all these details that over here, but one thing I want to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites page next to my phone number, which is click to call. Let's make sure that's saved. My address is already in the left-hand corner of my Marty Sites page. And the beauty of it is when my customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to my Italian restaurant. Let's click on save and head to update social links. Now over here, you can pop in your social media platform links. Feel free to give Marty Sites a follow and let us know how you are enjoying the service. There's also an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. And the icons will be displayed in the top right-hand corner next to your email address. Let's click on save and let's move along. Awesome. Let's head to update section over here and update logo. Now, if you're in the startup process of your Italian restaurant and you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to browse from my device and upload it over here. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend that you check out the canva.com website. There are a few free great options on there. Let's make sure that's saved, and there you go. We can make our logo slightly bigger or smaller. Let's make it a little bit bigger. I'm happy with that. Save logo and close. Now, perhaps the colors used on this website that have been pre-selected for you don't work with your branding. Perhaps throughout your restaurant you have different signage that's a completely different color. Although I know red is usually associated with an Italian restaurant, but if you have a completely different color palettes throughout your branding, you don't need to know any color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different free color palettes available to use. So I still like a red for this one. So I'm going to actually select that one. That looks awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and save that one. Great. On to the next section. Over here, again, pre-written content, images pre-selected. I think this image is a little bit too dark, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to amend it. If you do have your own images, browse from your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of free images to choose from, all royalty free. It will automatically search for an Italian restaurant because that is the template you chose. But play around with the terms a little bit and just try different words and see what comes up. So I'm going to say pizza for this one. And I really like that image, so I'm going to select that one. Let's check it out. Awesome, that looks stunning. I'm going to save my image selection and hit to update content. Now over here, you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Perhaps you don't have an online ordering system. Perhaps you want people to view your menu. So I'm going to say view menu and say choose link. We can link to another website. Perhaps you have an online ordering system as I mentioned. Otherwise, we can link to an action, click to call, directions, link, or click to email. But for this, I want to upload my menu under a PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and browse from my device and upload my Marti menu with all my amazing Italian options. Great, let's click confirm, save, and move along. Awesome. Over here, if you need to make amendments to those hours you chose and the address, go ahead and update section. Onto this section, another great spot for a high quality image. Choose from the photo library or upload one of your own. I think this image is absolutely suitable, so I'm actually leaving it as is. This section over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Amend it by clicking on update section to suit your needs. Over here, we've made our way onto the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your Italian restaurant came to be, your background, what made you get into this industry, more about the service and the dishes you offer. Put as much information here as possible. Your customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for a high quality image. I think that looks absolutely stunning and it is free to use, so I'm leaving it as is. Awesome. So we've literally made our way through our Italian restaurant website on the Mighty Sites platform. I've just gone through it and amended it and gone through each section in literally less than 10 minutes. I didn't need to know any web coding. I didn't need to hire a web developer. It's been that easy. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video. You've got nothing to lose. Try it for the 7 days and see how it works for you and your business. If you've got a custom domain, you can absolutely link it. All you need to do is click on connect your domain. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available with a step-by-step guide. And there is also a blog post over at www.mindsites.com, as well as some great marketing tips for your small business. So check it out. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video. And if you have any suggestions, any tips, any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites page, comment below and let us know. We'd really appreciate your feedback. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.